Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a healthy and easy paratha recipe for bachelors and PG hostel students. Namak Mirchi paratha is a traditional dish from Rajasthan, and the beauty of this paratha is you don't need any side dish with this. It can be had as a meal for breakfast, lunch, dinner, or even as an evening snack. So easy to make in just under 10 minutes. So let's get started with the recipe. To make Namak Mirchi paratha into a bowl, I'm adding in 1 cup of khapli wheat flour. I have already shared a detailed video on khapli wheat and its health benefits. Links will be updated below this video. Please do check it out. Now instead of khapli wheat flour, you can also use ordinary wheat flour. Khapli wheat is an ancient wheat grain and has very less gluten. I'm not adding in any salt now. I'm adding in water little by little, and I'm just kneading this into a soft dough. Add in little bit of desi ghee, about half a teaspoon, and again knead it into a soft dough. And cover and let it rest for about 5 minutes. While the dough is resting, I'm going to chop some mint leaves. Now instead of fresh mint leaves, you can also use dried mint leaves. So I'm just going to chop it as finely as possible. I have finely chopped the mint leaves, so I'm going to keep aside this chopped mint leaves. Now I'm going to knead this dough again a couple of times by dusting in some khapli wheat flour to make it into a soft dough. Once the dough is kneaded well and is soft, I'm dividing it into equal sized portions. So now let's make the Namak Mirchi paratha. Sprinkling in a little bit of khapli wheat flour and coating it with the khapli wheat flour. And just roll it out into a round circle. And sprinkle in a fat pinch of Kashmiri chili powder. You can increase or decrease chili powder to suit your taste. A fat pinch of pink Himalayan salt. A fat pinch of jeera, also known as cumin seeds. A big fat pinch of khapli wheat flour. Add in 1 teaspoon desi ghee. Now these days I prefer to use A2 desi ghee. Buying links will be updated below this video. A fat pinch of the finely chopped mint leaves. And now I'm just spreading this all over the roti. Fold the roti into half. Spread little desi ghee on the top. Again fold it into half. Sprinkle in some more khapli wheat flour and just roll it into your desired shape. And once it is rolled out, Dust off excess flour and place it onto the hot tawa. Reduce the flame to lowest. Now while that is getting cooked, let's make one more Namak Mirchi paratha. Meanwhile, it's ready to flip it over. Drizzling in half a teaspoon of desi ghee. Just flipping it over. Again drizzle in a little bit of desi ghee and flip it over. Once both sides are nicely cooked, transfer the paratha onto a plate. So once the parathas are ready, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to fluff the parathas. So this will make the paratha soft, and as you can see, the paratha is very soft. It does have a nice pocket inside. You can even stuff it with vegetables if you prefer. It's very soft. It's easy to carry. And it's an ideal lunchbox meal as it will stay soft for a longer time. So guys, do try this healthy Namak Mirchi paratha and let me know how it turned out. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video with family and friends. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.